I think it squirted all over my eyes. That was too good. It's spring outside. I got a tan. Let's make a delicious steak sandwich. All right, folks, today's gonna be fun. Who doesn't love a good steak sandwich, right? Portobello, big old mushrooms. Plop those in a bowl here. We are just going to do a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Let's dredge them in a little olive oil here. Let's do a little balsamic, vinaigrette. Do a little Worcestershire. I'm experimenting today too. Trying to just see what kind of flavors I can bring out, you know? Chili flakes, going a little garlic powder, and a little bit of oregano. So basically just let those marinate for a little bit, soak up all those flavors. Right here, got a nice little flat iron. Very good piece of meat, very underrated in my opinion. A lot of flavor. What I'm gonna do is the obvious salt and pepper on each side. Go in with some of your garlic powder. Okay, there you have it. Throw this in the fridge for 30 minutes to an hour. Now we're just gonna make our sauce. So we're gonna do a bit of Worcestershire, hot sauce here. We will do some mayo, and then some Dijon. Great thing is you can play around with this one, whatever your desired taste is. Okay, there you go. Look at that. It's not gonna suck, right? Onion. Wow, it's not that sharp. Onion, slice that beauty in half. Got the onion, sliced to however you want it. Slide that to the side here. Now we're just gonna go right down the middle. This is a nice French loaf. Got our French loaf cut in half here. Onions chopped. Let's go see our steak. Got our nice cast iron heated up here. We'll pop on our little flatty irons. Gonna let those go for about 3 minutes aside. Do a little olive oil on our bread. Get these on the griddle. Once those have a nice sear, flip those over. Let those puppies go for another few minutes aside. Now what we're gonna do is drop in a little butter, a couple sprigs of thyme, and some garlic as well. Baste those puppies away. Put them on our tray here. Not too bad, huh? Pop these in the oven. So we're gonna pop in our little shrooms just right into that juicy meat sauce right there. We also pop in our onions. What I'm also gonna do here is a little red wine. Oh, the smells in this kitchen right now. Let me tell you. Just let those cook. Nothing much to it here. Put a little rosemary in there. Those are good enough for me. All right, let's construct. So these have been resting for a good 10 minutes. Slice against the grain. Ooh, gosh, that doesn't suck. Nice, juicy, rare to medium rare. Okay, you wanna cut these pretty thin, in my opinion. Bread. Let's go in with our creamy mayo, Worcestershire, hot sauce, right? Do a hefty amount of that. Let's go that way with our steak. Okay, how's that look? Now, since I don't got one of those fancy torch things right now, we're just gonna pop these on our griddle over here. That's all melted there, see? Oh, what about one of them Portobellos, huh? Put the little inside here. We're gonna make a big Portobello. There we go. How about some onions now? Those have been just glazed in wine and beautiful steak juices and some fresh arugula. Other slice of bread. Hefty amount of your sauce. Put that on top. Ooh, the juices. Okay, here we go. You know how I'm gonna attack this, but we're gonna go. Look at this drip. Look at this drip. I think it squirted all over my eyes. That was too good. There you have it, folks. Another one in the books. A sandwich one for you. I hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe, press that notification button. Let me know what you want to see next. As always, thanks for watching. Oh, shit.